Okay, everyone on YouTube. Today I'm gonna review a product called Laptop Repair Made Easy. This product is going to teach you how to repair laptops, whether you want to repair your own or or if you want to make money repairing people's laptops. Repairing people's laptops isn't that hard as everyone thinks it is. It's a lot easier than actually repairing desktops. With this information here, you can find a job for laptop repairing companies, repairing laptops for companies, repairing laptops for companies. You can set up your own laptop repair business, and the tools aren't that expensive. You can do it for less than $100. And right now, laptop repair is pretty high in need. Everyone needs their laptop repaired at some point, so why not provide service for people where you repair them? With this course, you get full HD videos. It'll go step by step to the videos, and you can earn pretty good money doing this. And with this knowledge you gain, you'll be able to buy broken laptops and repair them and sell them on eBay for a higher price than you paid for them. You can sell them for 300 to 500% profit. And you can also repair your laptop when it breaks down. This video course covers CD DVD drive repair, battery repair, the tools and accessories needed for starting this business, how to fix motherboards, how to fix memory, and how to repair hard drives. That's just the basics. More advanced stuff is repairing laptop screens, repairing power supplies, replacing power jacks on the motherboard, the proper way to use a multimeter for the power supply, how to repair and replace keyboards, how to clean keyboards, which everybody needs to know how to repair a keyboard and clean it, because my keyboard gets dirty and I can't do nothing with it unless I clean it. This also covers HP computers, Toshiba, Mac Air, Acer Inspire, and more laptops. Other topics it covers is hard disk replacement, MacBook Pro hard disk replacement, which they really are too different, which the operating system is really different, but and a battery replacement, CD DVD drive replacement, adding and replacing memory, touchpad troubleshooting, processor replacement, laptop fan cleaning, which everybody needs to know how to clean the laptop fan too, because they get dirty and slow down your computer, and you risk burning out your motherboard. And wireless replacements. And as you can tell, this site right here, you have some product reviews, and you can make an instant return on your investment. And this company offers a 100% risk-free money-back guarantee. all this information for $47, which is really good information. You can charge $200-300 for one laptop repair and triple your investment here. I'm going to put a link to this page somewhere down here, down below, and I'm also going to put it in the description below. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll be making more.